Welcome back to today's tutorial session. So for this class, we'll see about Dreamweaver. So this tool is used for creating the websites. So here we'll see how to create links. Okay. So for this, I've opened the Dreamweaver. So in that, I have to click HTML document. So after I open the HTML document, so you can see a document, new window has been opened. So this part is called as your document toolbar. So in document toolbar, you'll be having the code view. So this is your code view. This is your split view. You'll have code as well as design, and this is the design view. So you can, whatever you do it in the design view, that will be reflected in the code view. And if you click the split view, you can see the simultaneously when you work with the design view, you can see the code view also. Okay. So now I'll teach you how to create the hyperlinks. So first thing is, so let me type here as Dreamweaver tutorial. Okay, so now I've typed Dreamweaver tutorial, then I'll give it as click here. Okay, so now I'll select this. After I select this, you can see at the bottom, this is your properties toolbar. So in your properties toolbar, so you can see a column which is meant for link. So I have to click on this link and then I have to give the link. So I'll click on this and I have to give the link to where it has to go. For example, I've taken it redirects to a browser. Then I have to give the link of that browser. Okay, let me show you now. So this is my Dreamweaver tutorial. Now I'll copy this link. Okay, so after copying this link, I have to paste it in the tutorial link. So now I'll paste it over here. Okay, so now I paste it over here. So now once you click this, then you can see the tutorial part. Okay, so after this, this is what is called as a preview or the debug in the browser. So I can click any of the browser to see the changes. So now I'll save this. So in the desktop, I've created a Dreamweaver tutorial as folder. Inside this folder, let me create this as project 1. Okay, so this is, so now you can see the output in the HTML. So if I click this one, okay, I can see the, it will redirect to the web page and I can see the hyperlinked page. Okay. So here, one thing is, in this part, you can see here in the target. So if I give blank, it will move to the next page. Now I'll select blank over here. So now I've given blank over here. So if I select blank in this target, so what happens is, so if I want, now let me publish it. Yes, save changes. Then if I click in this, it will go to the next tab and it will open the web link. So okay, so this is how you give your links. You can link your the websites which has to be created in your web page. Okay, so this is, you can make the target as blank or make the target as parent, self, everything except blank, other things in the same page. Okay, so you can see the design view also here. This is a design view. Let me put the split view over here. So you can see the Dreamweaver tutorial. Okay, so you can see this coding. So here Dreamweaver tutorial, the website name has been automatically added over here. okay, and the target is blank. So this is your, so whatever changes you do in the design view, so that will be reflected in the code view. The next thing is, suppose so next thing what I'm going to do is, here I'm linking it to another web page. Okay, so now I can also create the web page on my own, and then I can link it over here. So for that, go to file, that go to open. In that, you create a new document. Okay, file, new. So it is an untitled document. Okay, so now let me have it as the HTML, basic pages, HTML. Okay, it has been created. So here let me type hi, myself is ABC, working as X, some Z. So like that I've created. Now let me save this. Okay, so save as, so in this itself, let me save it as an HTML document as about myself. Okay, now give it as save over here. Now let me move back to the project, and then let me give it as about myself. Okay, click here. Now let me select this and go to the properties tab. So here I have to give the link. So since it is already stored inside the document which is folder which is created, so here can you see the folder? So click on to this, you can see myself. So click that and then give it as OK. Okay, so now, so let me publish it and see. So go to publish, save changes to the document, and then, so if you click here, about myself will also get open. So this is how you create your hyperlinks. So next is, you can insert images inside. Okay, so for that, if you go to insert over here, so you can see here image over, like this also you can go, or else you can see here image. So you can insert images from here also. So whichever way is feasible for us, that we can choose it. So inside, it's showing inside Dreamweaver tutorial. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select it as desktop. So inside the desktop, let me choose some objects. So now let me choose this lotus flower and give it as OK. Give it as some lotus 1 and then give it as OK. Okay, so this is how you're going to insert the image inside. So likewise, you can also insert the flash button also can be inserted. So let me teach you how to insert a flash button. So you can see there are so many options of flash buttons given here. So any one you can choose it and then you can insert it inside. Okay, so you can see the flash button which has been inserted here. Then this flash video will be inserted. You can use a FLE file to insert, and then you can this audio file also can be inserted. For this you have to use plugin. All these things we'll see in the next session. Thank you so much.